Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to install Anaconda Python on Mac OS. Now just note that Mac OS comes with Python by default installed with it, but this is not the version of Python that we need. Instead, we need to grab the Anaconda Python distribution, which includes Python and also packages useful for data science and data analysis. We can go ahead and search for Anaconda or immediately go to the website anaconda.com. So once we go to the website, we need to go to the download page. Right now, the download page is under the individual edition, products individual edition. This page may vary depending on how they change the website, but once you go to the download section, you need to grab the installer that matches your system and operating system. Right now, I'm going to grab the 64-bit graphical installer for macOS. So this is going to grab and download the file. Once the download is completed, I'm going just to double-click and install the package. I'm going to read and agree on the license, and then I'm going to go basically with the default. So it will take a few minutes to complete the installation. Now that the installation has completed, I'm going to continue that and finish the installer, and then I can delete this file and move it to trash. Okay, now once this is done, we can go ahead and launch Anaconda Navigator from the Launchpad. Now that the Navigator is open, I can go ahead and launch the notebook. So Anaconda Python comes with different tools and applications, and the main tool we're going to use is Jupyter Notebook environment. So once this is here, I'm going to try to just create a notebook, and hello and welcome to Python, and just try if this works, and it does. In addition to the notebook, you can access also JupyterLab, which is a studio-like environment for Python. We're not going to use JupyterLab in this course, but you may see videos and tutorial and using this tool, and it's becoming really popular. You can think of this as a more kind of a featureful version of the notebook. And obviously you've got access to many more tools included with the Anaconda distribution.